Hello friends, welcome to my Cyber Predator channel. So guys, in today's video, we will be performing practical on an important information gathering tool which is too interesting to learn, that is Exif tool. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first of all, we will clear the question, which is what is an EXIF tool? So basically, EXIF tool is an open source and cross-platform tool which is used for reading, writing, and manipulating metadata to a particular file. Now the file can be of any kind, like image file, audio file, or it can be a video file. So basically, the basic use for us or a basic use for penetration testers of this tool is to insert and extract the information through an image file or of any kind of file. So in this video, we will be extracting information from an image file and inserting some basic information to an image file. So guys, this video is too interesting to watch. So guys, I request you to watch the video till end. So guys, now it's time to install the tool. So basically the installation steps are too easy and pretty easy. So we only need to install the tool from our apt package manager. So I will just install the tool by inserting some commands like sudo apt get install exif tool, and you just need to enter your password. So you can see here already I have my tool available on my system. You need to install it by simply inserting this command and your work is to be done. So now we will just check its manual page because we will get more usage and more information about this tool, and the usage can be easy while actually using the tool. So I will just open the manual page of Exif tool. So you can see here there is variety of information available about this tool. Exif tool read and write meta information in files. There is synopsis given in which the first synopsis is reading. Also you can see here there is a writing of a particular metadata to a file. There is one option that is copying. So basically it copies the information or copies the metadata from a particular one file to another file, and there can be other operations too on a particular file. So guys, you can read this manual page and get more information about this tool. There is variety of information available of this tool. So guys, these are the file types which are supported by this tool. Means this tool operates on these files, or these are the supported files. So you can see many supported files are available, and which metadata is available of a particular file is also listed here. Like you can find a Canon VRD, Nikon capture, XMP, GPS location can be also found here. You can find flash, then you can find zip. There is variety of information which can be find from a single image file or a particular file. You can see options are also given. These are the basic operations or your options which can be performed on a file. So we will directly now use this file. First of all, we'll clear this. So you can see here at my downloads folder, there is two files or two image files which has .jpg extension. So basically these are image files. So we will just run the tool on a simple image file. So to run the tool, we have exif tool and the image file on which you want to extract information. So the image is valley. So you can see the information we have got is in a verbose output. We have got everything which is to be expected through this tool. So you can see here, first of all, we have got exif tool version number, which is as usual. Then we have got file name, the name of the exact file. Then we have the directory. File size is also be given. File modification date and time is also revealed. Then you can see file access date and time. File type is also be given. Then basically you can see here down there are some extra information given, like encoding process is also given. So image width and height is also given. Then color components are also there. Image size megapixels. So basically the information can be retrieved from a single image file. So once again we will try to find information about the next image. So once again I will run the tool, exif tool, and this time the image will be changed. So we have got an extra information about a image file. So basically this is a huge file or a huge information or huge metadata which we have retrieved. So basically you can see the first information is common. The next information that is to be read or that is to be highlighted is camera model name, that is Canon PowerShot ES400. So basically you can see here we have got the exact camera model name. So guys, we have got the actual camera name or actual camera model through which the image was clicked. Along with this we have got some extra information, like we will see down. So guys, you can see there is a flash option. Basically the information about this is off, means the flash was off when the image was clicked. That information also we have got. Quality information we have super fine. Then macro mode we have normal. So down we have something interesting to look, that is Canon image type, which is image PowerShot ES400 JPEG. And we have Canon firmware version. You have got firmware version of a particular camera. Then we have got file number, Canon model ID. So basically the exact model ID we have got about a particular camera through which the image was clicked. So you can see here variety of information we have retrieved from a single image file. You can see encoding process information is also available, color components is also available, drive mode is also available, which is single frame shooting, ISO is also available, that is 400, and we have got shooting mode, which is manual mode. So basically this is the step through which you can extract the information from an image file. So now we will be writing some basic information in an image file. Firstly, we will write the artist name in an image file. So we will write an artist name in an image now, that is Exif tool, and select the image in which you want to write the metadata. So in this case we have the same image, and tag is artist is equal to, we need to specify the artist name which will be written in an image file. So we will write our name, that is Cyber Predator. You can see we have the information or we have something feedback, that is one image files updated. Now we will simply check the metadata of that file. You can see here we have got the metadata of that file. So we will check the artist name now, which is updated or not. So you can see here there is an artist option here, and the name of the artist is Cyber Predator. You can also update it. So now we will just update it once again. So in this case we will change the artist now, which is YouTube, and once again we will extract the metadata of this file. So we will just check the artist now. So you can see here the artist is changed to YouTube now. First artist was Cyber Predator and now it's updated to YouTube. So in this way you can write or extract the information of an image file and manually write your information in an image file, which can be actually used in steganography process. So I hope you have got the actual practical of this Exif tool, which is too important in the process of information gathering. So I hope you will like my video and subscribe to my channel. So guys, goodbye and thank you.